It is with great regret that I have announced the demise of Dr. Srish Karnad from Nagpur. Dr. Srish Karnad was one of the very prominent homeopaths and a classical homeopath who came in contact with Sir Dr. Dhawale way back in the 1970s. They used to run a homeopathic study circle, and Sir was invited for one of those programs. And from then onwards, Dr. Karnad and a colleague of his, a mathematician, Dr. Sundarajan, both of them were attracted to Sir's philosophy, Sir's way of practice, and Sir's method of education. And it was a very productive time for the ICR, because during the association with both of these, Sir was able to run the symposium, the ICR symposium of 1978, and wherein both these stalwarts had made a significant contribution. If you look at the section A, paper A2 has been a product of their joint efforts. It was not only there, but ICR Nagpur was constituted and was established. And for very many years, all of us used to assemble in Nagpur in December for our summer school programs. And these were very, very valuable sessions, because the type of clinical practice that Dr. Karnad had and the type of philosophical approach that Dr. Sundarajan had, in spite of him not being a clinician, it was a really, really rewarding experience. And all of us who attended, Dr. Praful, Dr. Tiwari sir, Dr. Kasat sir, all of us were extremely enriched by the contributions of these stalwarts. Over a period of time, the association became less. And after 1987, after Sir passed away, slowly and gradually the ICR Nagpur also became much less active. But Dr. Karnad continued to be very, very active as a physician. We used to have a lot of exchange of views with him. And I'm sorry that now we are no longer going to be in touch. He is survived by his ophthalmologist son, who is also a homeopath, and his wife. All our sympathies go to him, because now we see that one more stalwart, one more pillar of the ICR has fallen.